So we've got birds flying in triangular formations. Yeah, birds in triangular formations. Look at that. My camera's barely picking them up now.
Probably because they're flying fast.
Wow. Birds flying in triangular formation. Up, and there's just two individual birds right there. Up, more. These birds are flying in triangle formation.
That means they're flying in groups.
No, they don't usually do that when they're flying in groups. Well, that was interesting. Oh, look, more. And again in triangle formation.
More up here. And there's a lot of birds out today.
I think they're flying south. I could be wrong, though. Look at that. Flying in triangle formation. All these groups of birds flying in. Oh, look, there's another one. What? Did you throw your arm up in the air like last time?
Yeah. Either that or they might just be flying for the hell of it to get their exercise.
I don't think birds know what exercise is.
Sometimes when I'm riding in the van, I find them just sitting on the road because they're injured. Either because their wings hurt or something. You know?
Well, that was an interesting find. Glad I came out for that. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, click the bell notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.